Good afternoon, everyone. Today's our project is on Radhakishan Daman. This is the photo of Radhakishan Daman. Now let's see his biography. Damani's full name is Radhakishan Shiv Kishan Daman. He was raised in Marwari family. He was born on 16 August 1954 in Mumbai. He got himself enrolled in University of Mumbai. He dropped out in the first of his college where he was pursuing a Bachelor of Commerce. His father was a stockbroker of Dalal Street. His brother name is Gopikishan Damani. His brother is a stock trader and investor. His wife's name is Shri Kanta Devi Radhakishan Damani. The couple has 3 daughters, Manjri Damani Chandak, Jyoti Kabra and Madhu Chandak. This is the facts of Radhakishan Damani. Famously known as Mr. White and White. He is also known as the retailer, a trader, a stockbroker, a stock market investor. He is the guru and mentor of Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, and he considered Chandrakant Sampath as his mentor.
Now his introduction. R.K. Damani, an Mumbai-based investor, is a self-based billionaire and owner of the country's third largest mega retail store chain, DMart. He started his career as a business trader after his father's death. His few years in market went and as speculator. Speculator means predictor. He closely followed the market strategies of Manu Manek, one of the most dead market operators of the time. Manu Manek was also the stockbroker and an entrepreneur. R.K. Damani began his success story as a humble trader and now rules Dalal Street. Forbes has ranked him as the 12th richest person in India. His net worth is $99.3 billion. Now let's see how he began his career. He started his career as a trader in business of ball bringing. R.K. Damani closed his business and joined his brother, who was already part of the stock broking business. His first move was to observe and learn the functioning of the stock market. He began the speculating and made his first stock market investment at the age of 32. He enriched his experience of the stock market by watching Manu Manek. His later helped him overpower Harshad Mehta, the mastermind of 1992 security scam.
Now this is the chart of Radhakishan Damani's net worth. We can see that this is the straight line between March 16 to November 16, and it is upgrading till the middle of November 22 and March 22, and we can also see that it is reducing in March 22. There are some investments by R.K. Damani. R.K. Damani made a lot of profits from his trading in stock. He was a very flexible trader and investor, believed in making profits using the different market swings. Radhakishan Damani had 14 stocks in his portfolio with a market value of rupees 1440 crores as of 30 April 2022. The following stock of his portfolio includes DMart, VST Industry, the Indian Cement Limited, Mangalam Organics Limited, Sundaram Finance and Trend. This is the holding value of the stocks, and this is the holding percentage of the stocks. How he continue his career in his stock market. Although Radhakishan Damani started his career as stockbroker, he soon understand that if he wanted to earn money from the market, then he need to invest and create his own money in the stock market instead of of being just a stockbroker, and soon he started stock trading in Indian stock market. He made a huge profits from his stock trading practices. R.K. Damani's earned handsome money by investing multi-baggers stocks. A few best performing stocks from his portfolio are Century Textiles, Indian Cement, VST Industry, Blue Dart, etc. At the age of 32, after the death of his father, R.K. Damani started the stockbroking business.
Now we all know that R.K. Damani is a founder of DMart. DMart is one stop supermarket and hypermarket chain in India which was first started in 2000 in Kogar, Mumbai. The company has its headquarters in Mumbai. DMart offices a wide range of personal and basic home products under one roof. The brands DMart Premier, DMart Dutch Herbal, DMart Minimax, D Homes, etc. are brands owned by ASL. ASL is Avenue Supermarket Limited. The main objective of DMart is to offer customers good products at a great value. Today, DMart has a well-established presence in Andhra Pradesh, NCR, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Gujarat, Telangana, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Tamil Nadu and Chhattisgarh. The supermarket and hypermarket has more than 196 locations across the world. DMart supermarket chain is owned and operated by the Avenue Supermarket Limited. The DMart success is focused on three things: employees, wonder, customers. Radhakrishan Damani and his family hold 65.2% stake in Avenue Supermarkets as of December 2021. We can see that slow process are going in DMart chain. Avenue Supermarket revenue per store in 2022 has risen by 2% CAGR in 2019, apparent pandemic quarter. In 2019, it will reach at 29.6, and then 2022 it will reach at 31.5%. We can see the clearly 2% increase in 2022. Success secret of Radhakrishan Damani: keep an eye on the long term. Small is big. Value your people. Buy low, sell cheap. Local, grow slow. No frills. Ignore the weird. Avoid credit. Let your work speak. Thank you.